guys, Michelle here from Supply with our continuing series on how to apply and use our medical products.
If you want to know how to put on the Breg, Kodiak, IntelliFlo pads, you came to the right spot. We're going to show you how to do it fast and easy, step by step. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the video, where you can find linked in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. Cold therapy is an awesome way to help relieve your pain and swelling after surgery, injury, or just a hard day of being a weekend warrior. So how do we properly use the cold therapy device? Well, I'm going to show you the proper way to do it end to end. And once we're done, I'm going to show you the #1 trick to help make your cold therapy experience easier. All right, how do we do this? Michelle, take us through the steps of the application of the Breg, Kodiak, IntelliFlo pads.
The first thing we need to do is make sure that the pad and the part number are correct. You would do this by looking at the front right corner of the pad where the part number will be listed on the white label. Notice this is a sealed bag, and once the sealed bag has been opened, it cannot be returned. You will be getting a flyer with your pad that shows the different connectors. The Cube and Kodiak systems have different connectors. So please be sure to make sure that you order the correct pad. The other item you're going to get is a skin warning flyer. You never want to put the cold pad directly on your skin, as it could cause some damage or some frostbite. And the universal protocol for cold therapy is 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. Also, please make sure to check with your doctor for any other instructions while you're using the cold therapy device, just to be on the safe side. To protect your skin, we sell sterile dressings for each cold therapy pad on our website. You can also use a thin towel or a t-shirt, but please don't put the pad directly on your skin. They come in a sealed package, and this is how you apply them. This one is for the Breg Polar Care Cube and Kodiak back pads. It's the same dressing. You're going to open the package and remove the sterile dressing. You're going to open it up, and you're going to see 2 tabs, which you will want to remove so that you can stick it inside the pad. Once they're removed, place the dressing down firmly into the pad, and then you are ready to apply it to your body part. As you can see, our sterile dressing is already in place. So you're going to take the pad and cincher it in the back. Bring the strap around and attach it. And it also comes with an additional strap in case you need an extension.
Great job, Michelle, in showing us how to do that. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm going to show you our #1 trick to help make things easier for you. We have freeze bags that you can use in the cooler, and they come in packs of 12. You place 3 in the cooler and the rest in the fridge, and then you just keep rotating the bags. This way, especially if you're alone, you don't have to keep chasing after ice, and your refrigerator will have a really hard time keeping up anyway. Now that you know how to use your cold therapy machine, let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful, and do give us a like, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.
Thanks for following, and as always, if you have any questions or concerns, shoot us an email at cs@supplypt.com or give us a call at 1-844-505-8144, Monday through Friday between the hours of 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Time.